Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make an easy scribble effect without any VFX or templates. We will make it just using a mask and a built-in scribble effect. First of all, let's grab a roto brush tool and double-click on our clip. Make sure to rotoscope the car as smooth as possible, because we are going to turn that roto brush selection into a casual mask. Once you are done rotoscoping and the selection is cool to you, click on Freeze button, and as the freezing is done, we can close rotoscoping window. Now let's duplicate our clip, then select bottom one and delete roto brush effect on it, then select top layer with a roto brush effect and rename it to Scribble. It's time to turn roto brush selection into mask now. Go to layer and click on auto trace. Copy my settings and hit OK. Then wait for a second or two, and as you see now we have a smooth mask on our car and the mask follows it perfectly. So now delete roto brush on scribble effect as well, cause we don't need it anymore, and then apply scribble effect on that layer. Change fill type to outside edge, and now let me toggle off mask from here so we can see the effect better. And here as you see we already have scribble effect around the car. You can also adjust it, expand stroke options and play around with values until it will look fine to you, and we are done. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.